guys, happy fall. Welcome to my channel. So I was feeling very inspired by the fall and by my nails, and I wanted to do something that was very orange and very beautiful. And when I saw this picture on Instagram, I just knew I had to go ahead and recreate it. It's a recreation by the one, the only Miss Jackie Aina, honey. So yes, of course, we're going to be going in with her collab with ABH and using her beautiful palette to create this look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys think that I nailed it, did I do a good job? Did I do Miss Jackie justice, honey? So yeah, I'm gonna be going ahead and priming my eyelids using concealer. This is the Juvia's Place concealer in shade 12, I believe. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade Ginger and just using that just above my crease. On her picture on Instagram, she posted that she used Ginger, Wiggly's, and Soleil to create this look. So I'm pretty much going to be sticking to the script and just using those colors, except I do go in with a little bit of edges, and I do use one orange shade from a Juvia's palette. But yeah, you basically just see me blending and buffing Ginger above and into my crease. And now here's where I'm taking that orange shade from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and packing that onto my eyelid and a little bit above, just because Wiggly's is very red and I wanted this to be like a reddish orange look. So I wanted to make sure that I used some orange. Ginger is like a very light tangerine. It's very light. So I wanted to make sure I had some orange in this look. So that's why I reached for the orange in that Juvia's Place palette. So now I'm taking Wiggly's and applying that to my lid with a flat brush. And by using a flat brush, you're able to like make it look like it's not kind of a cut crease. I really wasn't going for a cut crease look, otherwise I would have added concealer to make the color pop a little bit more. But yeah, by using a flat brush, I'm able just to be a little bit more precise with where I put that red shadow to kind of like carve out my eyelid the way that I want. So I know it looks messy, and I'm sorry that I was blocking you couldn't really see what I'm doing, but I just put Wiggly's onto my eyelid, and then I'm going back in with the first brush that I used to apply Ginger just to clean it up. And that's really all I'm gonna do, is just continue to clean it up and pack and apply more shadow to build up the color payoff to my liking, and just go back and forth between Ginger and edges in the crease to just clean everything up and make sure everything is nice and neat. So basically, I'm just finishing up the eyes, going in and duplicating everything that I did to my eyelid down to my lash line. I'm going in with the orange, the red, and a little bit of brown just to smoke it out and to deepen it up. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the eyes. You'll just see me doing the finishing touches and add some lashes, and then we'll move on to the face. And I'm not going to talk about the face products. All the products that I use will be down below in the description box. And yeah, if you made it this far into the video, I hope that means that you like what you see. So if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it's the big red button. Hit it until it turns gray. Subscribe, join the family, join the gang. And while you're at it, you should click that bell so that your post notifications will be turned on and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I greatly appreciate it. So let's just vibe out and you'll just see me finish up this look. And yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So I already primed my skin and I'm going in with foundation. Guys, please don't judge my skin too crazy. My skin is going nuts. As you can see, I got breakouts and texture going on all over. It's that time of the month, but also these masks are kicking my skin's ass. I'm so over this mask knee and everything. I'm just over it. So yeah, that's one reason why I haven't really been wearing makeup too much, because my skin just needs a break. My skin needs a break. These masks are terrible. So yeah, please don't judge me. I hate it. I'm cringing just looking at it. I don't like putting makeup over pimples, but I think it still turned out nice. So I just had to come back with the quick skin disclaimer. So hey guys, I love how this look turned out. I'm pretty much done. I'm just adding the mole on my nose, like Jackie's mole. And yes, it just brings everything together. I messed up, but as you can see, I went ahead and fixed it. And shout out to Super Scent for the tip for using hair glue for moles. It really is the best way to use to do faux moles. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I love how it turned out. Like I said, the wig ties everything together. Had to throw on an orange shirt for the pumpkin fall vibes. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to check out the pictures I took of this look, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.